Now, after the first test of the series that ended in a draw, both the teams will be looking for a result in the second test match at Lord's. Virat Kohli says that he and his team wants to put 120% into winning the series. They seemed like they could win the first test, but that did not happen due to bad weather. To talk about how the team is looking ahead of the second test, I have former Indian all-rounder Mohammad Kaif with me, who's also an expert on Sony Sports Extra. Kaif, thank you very much for joining me. Let me start with the teams, getting docked of 2 points because of slow over rate. Taking up that extra half an hour is almost becoming a norm that could cost teams crucial points when the Test Championship draws close.
No, captains must take the responsibility, because on-field captains should take responsibility. They must, they have to make sure that they bowl on time. Nowadays, this half hour extension, they are taking for granted. ये तो makeup के लिए मिला, but I don't think this should be the attitude. I think they must look into it. That's why when you don't have the result in a game like this, drawn game, which is not good for anyone.
That's true. If we don't have a result, it is not good for any of the teams, though they're going to split points. Now, let's talk about India in this game, playing conditions in Lord's, which is traditionally a batsman's pitch. Could make them miss a fast bowling all-rounder. I mean, India, Shardul Thakur is not playing because he's injured.
Oh, yeah. They're looking, they're trying to find. They want to have more options, fast bowling who can bat. Someone like Hardik Pandya, they are searching for it, but they don't have many at the moment. So, and when you go abroad, when you play in India, you are fine. 2 spinner, 2 fast bowler, done. Easy selection. When you go abroad, then you have to look after your batting. Someone who can bat at number 7, 8. That's the challenge as a captain and management, because you don't have many options at that number. That's why you saw in the World Test Championship, they played Ashwin, Jadeja both and 3 fast bowler. Then they realized, no, in England, we need to have 1 more fast bowler who can bat. Then Shardul played. And I find, depending how all these guys, whether they are fit or not, but I think this is a good combination. 4 plus 1 spinner, 4 fast bowler plus 1 spinner.
Right, Virat Kohli in fact said that this is a template that they are looking at going ahead as well. Now, leaving out our Ashwin not once but twice over, you would say it's a brave call?
Yeah, like I said, it's always going to be a tough call. When you leave out someone like Ashwin, who has done so well recently with the bat and ball, he's one of the greats of the game, I would say. And it's always going to be a tough call. Yeah, I thought in the first test match, he might play Ashwin over Jadeja, because you have genuine wicket taker in your squad as a spinner, which is Ashwin, and he was batting well recently. He's been batting well with the he's been getting runs with the bat. So, but now since last game he went with Jadeja, and Jadeja has done so well. Now as a captain you got nowhere to go. You have to back your player, those who have performed in the last game.
That's true. So, which is why they have decided to persist with Ravindra Jadeja. But let's talk about the batsmen, and once again Cheteshwar Pujara is under the scanner. The Virat Kohli did not look very worried when he came for the press conference yesterday. Would you say Pujara and Rahane not getting runs could be a bit of a problem for Team India going ahead in the series?
So my answer would be, hold your thoughts. They just played 1 inning in this series, especially Pujara. So people are like, after him for so many years, I salute Pujara for not backing off. He's someone who's always coming out and try to fight out and score runs. And recently, we were talking about Pujara, the wall of Indian cricket. Recently, a few months back, I saw the photos all over the place, whatever he's done in England and Australia, and recent form also not bad. Whatever happened at Gabba and Sydney, he also played a major role. He took body blows, and we were like all praise for Pujara, what a player, but he's got limitation. You have to be patient with him, and he's, in my mind, he's the second best player in Indian team after Kohli.
Kev, while we talk about limitations of the Indian side, the English team, the opponents didn't look that great either in the last test match. Now, England has called up Moeen Ali. Do you think that will bolster their batting?
I think they made a good call. It took them a while batting. They made a good call because they're struggling with the batters. England batting side so weak. If you leave Joe Root, not many, you will see all the young players averaging in 30s, not very high. I mean, they're struggling at the moment. That's why they brought Moeen Ali to get the balance right, because they're missing Ben Stokes at that number 6, 7, 5, whatever. I think Moeen Ali will do the same kind of role. If he plays, his role will be to score runs, get runs on the board. They have the bowlers to defend. And then when time comes, he will bowl. But he's a very similar role to Jadeja. In a seaming condition, get runs, and when time comes, you give us 3 overs and probably 2-3 wickets. But yeah, they made a good call. Moeen Ali is a good player. He's good form. Recently, he's been playing well.
And the heartening thing for England is that James Anderson has turned up fit. So it will be Anderson, Robinson, and we'll also see Mark Wood on the other side. We'll see the pace of Mohammad Shami, Jasprit Bumrah. Would you say apart from traditional swing, you will expect to see some reverse swing at Lords as well? I forgot to mention about Ishant Sharma, who is now replacing Shardul Thakur.
I didn't see much of reverse swing in the last game. I saw very disciplined line and length. I saw batsmen found it tough because bowlers hit the right areas, right zone, which is required in England. When you go to England as a fast bowler, your job is very simple. Just stay patient, keep it there all the time. What Bumrah and Robinson and all these bowlers showed that if you keep it there for longer period of time, stay patient, batsman will make mistake. So Kohli got out at on 0 and Joe Root got out after scoring 100, but same delivery, same areas. So just keep it there all the time.
Right, and at the same time, the batsmen also have to be very patient batting in England. That's the message from Mohammad Kev. Thank you very much for joining us.